High above a barren desert, the sky seems empty at first glance. But a closer look reveals movement, hundreds of small drones, flying in coordinated waves, shifting and flowing as if guided by a single mind. No human pilot is issuing commands to each individual drone. Instead, artificial intelligence drives their every move, making split-second decisions as the swarm adapts, evades, and advances. This is the cutting edge of autonomous warfare, AI-driven drone swarms that promise to reshape military power in the 21st century. At the heart of these swarms is decentralized intelligence. Unlike traditional drones, which depend on remote pilots or central control stations, these machines operate as a collective, each equipped with edge computing processors and neural accelerators. The drones communicate in mesh networks, passing information from node to node. If one is destroyed, the swarm instantly reorganizes, filling the gap, adjusting its pattern, and pressing forward without hesitation. Onboard AI allows each drone to recognize enemy systems, navigate through radar coverage, and evade countermeasures, all without waiting for human orders. And now, a new dimension is emerging. AI-driven swarms working side by side with human fighter pilots in the heat of battle. Picture a high-speed jet slicing through contested airspace. At the pilot's command, dozens of autonomous drones break formation from the jet's wing, fanning out like a pack of predators. The pilot doesn't micromanage them. Instead, he sets broad objectives through a simple interface: defend, attack, scout, and the swarm interprets and executes the mission. These drone wingmen act as force multipliers. Some form an electronic shield, jamming enemy radars and spoofing missile guidance systems to protect the manned aircraft. Others spread out ahead, mapping the battlespace in real time, detecting hidden threats long before the pilot's sensors could spot them. A portion of the swarm might switch to offensive mode, targeting enemy air defenses, fighter jets, or ground assets, all while constantly coordinating with one another and with the pilot's systems. The advantage? The human pilot can focus on high-level tactics, confident that the AI swarm is handling threats, gathering intelligence, and striking at enemy weaknesses. Reaction time is slashed. No need to relay data back to base for analysis. The swarm analyzes and acts on the fly. The drones can even sacrifice themselves, drawing fire away from the pilot's jet, ensuring that the human returns home safely. Edge computing plays a key role here. Each drone processes sensor data, runs AI models, and makes decisions locally. Even in environments saturated with jamming and cyber attacks, the swarm stays functional. The pilot's commands are broad: suppress enemy air defense at grid X, and the swarm figures out the details, deciding which drones will engage, how they'll coordinate the attack, and how they'll evade counterstrikes. Countries at the forefront of this technology are already testing these concepts. The U.S. Air Force's Skyborg program aims to integrate AI drones as loyal wingmen for advanced jets like the F-35 and the next-generation air dominance fighter. In tests, these drones have flown alongside piloted aircraft, making independent decisions about threat avoidance and targeting. China has demonstrated drone formations launched alongside fighter aircraft in military parades and exercises, signaling its intent to field manned-unmanned teaming at scale. Australia's MQ-28 Ghost Bat, developed with Boeing, is designed specifically to operate as an AI-powered wingman, providing cover, reconnaissance, and strike capability in sync with piloted jets. If you're fascinated by how AI and cutting-edge technology are transforming modern air combat, now's the time. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us keep bringing you these deep dives into the defense systems shaping tomorrow's wars. This integration of human pilots and autonomous swarms brings not just power, but complexity. The future battlefield may see dogfights where pilots command flocks of AI wingmen, where decisions happen at machine speed, and where the side with the smarter algorithms wins. But it also raises urgent questions. How do we ensure human oversight remains in the loop? What happens if communication links break down mid-battle, or if enemy AI tries to hijack the swarm? The age of manned flight isn't ending, but it's evolving. The skies of the future will belong not just to human aces, but to teams of pilots and machines, thinking and fighting together as one. The AI-driven drone swarm is no longer a vision of what's coming. It's already here, and it's changing air combat forever. Do share your thoughts in the comments.